Soft waves, a quiet harbor, and a ship meant to make history. In 1628, Sweden's most powerful warship slowly sailed out for its first voyage and never made it out of the harbor. This is the Vasa today. Inside Stockholm's Vasa Museum, you stand before a warship that spent 333 years trapped beneath the sea, preserved in near-perfect condition. Towering above you are 64 bronze cannons. But step closer and the story turns human. You'll see the boots, tools, and bones of the crew and lifelike reconstructions of the sailors' faces. The Vasa isn't just history. It's a warning, frozen in time. Support the channel, subscribe, and stay with us for more unforgettable places. Carved wooden gods, kings, and beasts all built to intimidate the world. Staring back across centuries, the museum reveals the fatal mistakes, pride, imbalance,